Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. NCP firm on 12 seats demand coordination committee meeting of Congress and NCP on Wednesday. Bharati Chawan slams Mauvin for his seat-sharing comments. Charles Corriea Foundation to design Panji traffic management plan process to be complete in 4 months. French filmmaker Bernard Tavernier to be honoured with Lifetime Achievement Award at the IFFI, retrospective of Philippe Noyce and Luc Besson. We review Goa's performance in the 57th National School Games. Square Martial Arts emerges best sport for host with 30 medals. Tennis has the potential but lacks the infrastructure and training facilities in Goa, says Argentina's ITF rank Gustavo Periziano. Now the news in detail. Seat sharing issue between the Congress and the NCP has become bitter on the eve of the coordination committee meeting. NCP desk in charge of Goa, Bharati Chawan, has criticized Mauvin for his statements on alliance. She has advised Mauvin to refrain from making statements on seat sharing. NCP is firm on its demand of 12 seats. She says they have already shortlisted 20 candidates.
Coordination Committee of the NCP and Congress will hold its meeting on Wednesday. NCP is upset with election campaign head of the Congress, Mauvin. Mauvin has denied possibility of more than 6 seats to the NCP. Goa desk in charge of the NCP, Bharati Chawan, in a telephonic conversation said that High Command will decide over the distribution of seats and Mauvin should restrain himself from commenting on such issues.
Nobody can make type of statement and nobody can give this type of final statement from Congress side also. And this definitely I will talk to their observer tomorrow. What is this going on? It is not correct on both the party side.
Will NCP stick for 12 to 14 seats? With the demand
we have demanded for 12 seats.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we have stick up with that. Let us see in tomorrow's meeting what is happening.
Chauhan said that NCP is firm on its demand of 12 seats, though the party has shortlisted 20 candidates.
So they will tell how many seats they are ready to give?
Yes, their proposal they will give us tomorrow. On that we will discuss amongst us in NCP with the High Command.
Have you shortlisted candidates?
Yes.
How many candidates, ma'am?
We have 20 candidates with us.
How many?
20.
20 candidates have been shortlisted in 20 constituencies.
Yeah.
On one side, Congress doesn't want to part with more than 6 seats, whereas on the other side, NCP is pressing hard for 12 seats. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar.
The Charles Corriea Foundation has been handed over the task of designing a traffic management plan for Panji city. The entire process of designing and approval of the plan is expected to be ready within 4 months. All stakeholders, including the councillors and concerned MLAs, will be included in the process.
Renowned architect Charles Corriea has been granted approval by the CCP to design Panji city's traffic management system. CCP has offered an honorarium of 4 lakh rupees to the foundation to design the plan. The main objectives put forth by the team during a presentation on Tuesday includes decongesting the city business district area, which presently witnesses maximum vehicular traffic. This area is around the 18 June Road and Mahatma Gandhi Road. As far as possible, identify land to shift the parking area outside city limits. Introduce pay parking system within the city to avoid instances of parked vehicles for long hours. Create an pedestrian environment with an hop-on, hop-off public transport system within the city. Safe routes for children, senior citizens and differently abled. Color-specific buses running within the city and special school buses for children. Identifying designated time slots for supply vehicles entering the city.
It's actually a very simple thing.
Yeah.
What you're doing is lowering the number of cars in the CBD.
Okay.
Having fewer cars in the CBD, having a bus which is hop on, hop off,
Okay.
so people don't need to take their car, and then thirdly having pedestrian streets, so it's good for older people, for children, etc.
CCP Mayor Yatin Parekh stated that entire process of designing the plan will take 4 months.
And I think within 2 months, 1.5 to 2 months, we will be coming with a new plan for the city of Panji, taking all the councillors, Panjim MLA, concerned MLAs, and all the authorities concerned and all the stakeholders concerned in confidence, and in discussion with them, we will, within 2 months, we will come with a plan. And total plan will be drawn in 4 months. After that, we may, it is free to, again, we'll go to the council to decide whether the funds required should be supported from GNM or should the state government will to support this.
A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
French filmmaker Bertrand Tavernier will be honoured with a Lifetime Achievement Award at the International Film Festival of India this year. The 70-year-old, known for movies like The Clockmaker and Life and Nothing But, will be in Goa to receive the honour at the opening ceremony of the 42nd edition of IFFI on November 23rd.
This year, the Lifetime Achievement Award in IFFI will be conferred on renowned French director Bertrand Tavernier. The honour also carries a prize of rupees 10 lakhs. Tavernier has almost 4 decades of cinematic experience. His Princess of Montpensier was the closing film at IFFI last year. The 11-day festival will also hold retrospectives of Australian director Philippe Noiset, who made Dead Calm, and French filmmaker Luc Besson, who has written and produced the Transporter series and the Jet Li film Kiss of the Dragon. 7 Malayalam films are among the 24 feature films chosen for the Indian Panorama section of the International Film Festival of India. Urumi, directed by Santosh Sivan, will open the Indian Panorama section. It's the highest for any Indian language and has made history for Malayalam cinema. The other films are Traffic, Melvilasam, Adaminte Makan Abu, Chappa Kurishu, Bombay March 12 and Karmayogi. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.